What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the invalid destination address on your Redmi cell phone. So to fix this issue, first of all turn on and off flight mode 2 to 3 times. So for that, swipe down and here you will see a flight mode icon. So tap on this icon to turn it on and then turn it off. So do it 2 to 3 times, and after that the issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then clear the cache memory of the Messages app. So to do this, tap and hold on the Messages app icon and then tap on this information icon, and here scroll down and here tap on storage. Now to clear the cache memory, tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache. Now from the pop-up, tap on OK to confirm, and after that the cache memory will be cleared. So after clearing the cache memory, if you are still facing the same invalid destination address issue, then the last solution is open settings, tap on more connectivity options and then scroll down and here tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. Now here tap on reset settings. So when you will tap on this reset settings option, it will ask for your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and when you will enter the correct password, pin or pattern, it will reset the network settings including the SIM card settings, and then it will help you to fix the invalid destination address issue. So that's how you can fix the invalid destination address on your Redmi cell phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.